When I had the opportunity to go to Japan with a group of other people doing the same thing, I noticed something about my learning speed. We all started to study Japanese in a classroom setting first. We had access to English and Japanese speaking teachers, books, computers, and other resources. However, when things started in the class, I realized I was the slowest learner in the class. I knew that not everyone learns the same way, but when I had this realization that I should focus on learning like children learn languages, I decided to adjust my Japanese language learning priorities in this order. First, I would review the basics of Japanese pronunciation. Then I started organizing and learning a real-life situation Japanese phrases first. Instead of traditional cramming and memorization techniques, I would take commonly used phrases and responses from native Japanese people. I also did this with some other resources like books, etc. Then I would take a short 1 to 2 sentence story and a picture of the phrase on actual flashcards. I would list the phrase and 1 to 2 common responses to that phrase in a conversation. Next, I would review my strategic flashcards and make time to practice every day with either a Japanese native or someone who is learning Japanese like me. I made time every day for role play of actual real-life conversations. This method is not saying random Japanese phrases or vocabulary. I was concerned at first if it would hurt my Japanese learning progress whenever I practice with non-native Japanese speakers. However, whenever I switched back to speaking to a native Japanese person, I found it did not hurt my learning progress or my progress overall. So for phase 1 of the first 2 months of learning Japanese, this helped me learn the most important things in Japanese language conversation. I was able to hold a conversation on different important life situations due to the speaking and listening abilities built up over those first 2 months. Reach out to me in the comments below. I look forward to connecting with you soon.